What's up guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to create this 3D typography effect in Photoshop. This should be quite an easy tutorial. For more information, click on the first link in the description below. You can grab this template from the Envato Elements page linked in the video description. By signing up for Envato Elements, you get access to this particular template and thousands of additional add-ons, plugins and templates for Photoshop and other creative apps. The download process is quick and easy. Once downloaded, you'll find the file in your Downloads folder, usually compressed. On a Windows PC, right-click the zip file and choose to extract it in your Downloads folder. The process is similar on your Mac. After extracting the file, a new folder will open up containing the template file. When this is done, launch Photoshop and drag and drop the PSD file into Photoshop to open the project. On the right, you'll see the Layers panel. Look for the editable layer and double-click it. A new tab opens up. Double-click the layer again to access the base file with all the text presets. Now, let's personalize the text. Double-click on a text layer to change the text. For this example, I'll type Tekao Tutorials. Feel free to use whatever text you prefer. It might take a second to load, and then use the Ctrl and S shortcut to save your current file. Use Command and S on Mac. You can then head back to the original Photoshop file on the previous tab to see that it automatically applied the text change. Once you're happy with the changes, it's time to save your project. Head to File in the toolbar and select Save a Copy. Next, rename the file and change the file type to PNG if you're exporting an image with a transparent background, or JPEG if you kept the background. These steps and more information will be available in my extensive guide linked in the description below. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.